Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're zeroing in on a product that seems to be making some real waves in outdoor living. That's Nuvo Iron's Quick Fence.
That's right.
And our mission, really, is to figure out why this isn't just, another fence option, but something retailers and contractors should, well, probably know about.
Exactly. It seems to tackle some common real-world problems pretty elegantly.
Okay, let's get into it then. So what makes Quick Fence stand out? Is it just about being quick?
Quick Fence,
Yeah.
an adaptable alternative, it really hammers this home. Quick Fence isn't here to replace traditional wood, iron, or chain link fencing. So, okay, if it's not aiming to be your typical backyard fence, then what is it for? Where does this product really shine?
Well, if you connect it to the bigger picture, it's really about hitting specific pain points, right? Problems that traditional fencing, frankly, just doesn't solve very well.
Like what kind of things?
The sources point out Nuvo Iron designed this fencing. It's 4 feet tall,
Yeah.
by the way, specifically for situations like, say, rental properties,
Okay.
where you need something you can easily take down when a lease is up. Or think about temporary pet enclosures.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Quick boundaries for maybe a garden patch you just started, or even like child safety zones if the grandkids are visiting. It's all about that flexibility and practicality, not permanence. Offering a fast, often cheaper solution for those immediate needs.
I can immediately see the appeal there. The speed is definitely part of it, but it's more foundational than that. Think of it as a system. It's engineered to genuinely transform an outdoor area
Transform how?
by blending, durability, it's strong with a nice look, good curb appeal, but crucially, the ease of installation is miles apart from traditional fencing methods, and it's very versatile.
Okay, ease of installation and versatility. Let's focus on contractors first. You call it a game changer. How does it really give them a business advantage, not just saving a bit of time, right?
Oh, much more than that. For contractors, it fundamentally enables what we call rapid solutions, enhanced profit.
Right.
Think about those small little while you're here requests, can you quickly fence off this spot for the dog? Or my garden patch needs protection, or maybe securing an odd corner lot where people cut through.
Yeah, those little jobs that often aren't worth the hassle.
Exactly. Historically, they might turn those down. Not enough profit, too much setup time for a small thing. Quick Fence flips that script.
Yeah, so?
Because it's this clean, no-dig solution, it turns those little requests into a really efficient, profitable add-on service, a high-volume side stream potentially.
No digging. That's the key then. You're saying it changes the actual economics of these small jobs.
Absolutely. Which means installation really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. You pop in the anchors, attach the panels to the post, and then insert the posts into the anchor. That's it.
Wow. So minimal disruption, less labor cost.
Precisely, and much faster project timelines. For a contractor, that means potentially more jobs squeezed into a day, quicker moves between sites, plus it handles uneven ground pretty well without a lot of prep work.
And it solves those real customer problems you mentioned.
Yes. The dog owner with the burnt lawn patches from pet waste, the gardener losing plants to, rabbits or whatever, the homeowner annoyed by shortcut takers, it hits those pain points directly.
So the pro tip for contractors is?
Handle these requests on the fly. Upsell it while you're already there for another job. You can even install it while your crew is cleaning up the main project. It's built for margin, low effort, high reward.
That's definitely compelling for the trade side. Okay, let's switch gears. What about retailers? How does this become an easy sale for them? Maybe even an impulse buy?
Right. For retailers, the thinking is solve more, sell more. Quick Fence is lightweight, it's compact, and again, that no-dig aspect is huge for homeowners.
So it addresses those common DIY frustrations.
Exactly. It turns a customer asking, how can I fence this small area easily into an immediate sale? Because it solves those nagging problems that people often just live with because they think the solution is too complex or expensive.
And the installation simplicity helps there too, I assume.
Totally. It takes, under an hour with just basic tools? The demo is the pitch. Customers see how straightforward it is, no digging, no concrete mix, and they get it instantly. It solves the same problems for homeowners as for a contractor's clients' pets, gardens, so the appeal is broad.
Makes sense. You also mentioned it's easy to stock. How does the physical product help retailers sell it?
Yeah, it's easy to stock, easier to move. The packaging is compact, so it's perfect for those high visibility spots, seasonal end caps, garden center displays, maybe even a grab-and-go area near the fasteners or tools.
Ah, like a gateway DIY product.
Kind of, yeah. A positive first experience makes people more confident for bigger projects later. It's an immediate win.
Okay, so beyond the basic function, what about variety? Design options, other ways to use it or upsell.
Good question. It does come in some quite elegant designs, like the coral and tiger eye styles, and different panel sizes, 29 or 48 inches wide, both 34 inches high, plus double gate options too.
Right.
But here's a really smart upsell. Pair the quick fence post, just the post, with standard agriculture fence mesh.
Oh, interesting. For what?
Perfect for protecting gardens, sure, but also think about young trees, new fruit trees, saplings that need protection from deer or other critters. All the customer needs are the posts, the mesh, and some ties or cutters. Simple, effective.
That's clever. Creates another use case entirely.
And visually, even the standard quick fence makes a big difference. You see the before and after shots, and it really tidies up and defines a space surprisingly well for such a simple system.
So summing it up, it sounds like QuickFence offers contractors a way to boost efficiency and tap into new, profitable service niches.
Yep, definitely.
And for retailers, it's about an easy-to-sell, high-turnover product that genuinely solves common customer headaches.
Absolutely. It's a really solid example of versatile, simple, high-value design that fits where the outdoor living market is heading.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you, our listener. Think about all those little mini problems homeowners deal with every day. Small gaps in fencing, unprotected flower beds, awkward corners.
Things they might not even realize have a quick fix.
Exactly. Could a product like QuickFence, by offering such an elegant, fast, and cost-effective solution to these overlooked needs, actually reshape parts of the market, or even carve out entirely new opportunities for businesses? Something to chew on.
That's it for this episode of The Iron Mic, brought to you by Nuvo Iron. If you liked what you heard, follow us to stay up to date on our latest episodes. Got questions? Interested in the products we talked about? Or have a project to share? Visit nuvoiron.com or find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok at Nuvo Iron. Until next time, listen in, learn more, and build better.